The ultimate guide to opening a coffee shop that fosters community without turning into a hipster purgatory. Opening a coffee shop that fosters community is about more than just pouring fancy liquids into mugs. It's about building a space that serves as a haven for those seeking refuge from everyday life. Here's how to do it without falling into clichés. Pillar 1. The Ambiance. Lighting and decor. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with cozy seating and plenty of plants. Avoid overdone themes like rustic farmhouse chic. Instead, reflect your personality in a unique, inviting space. Provide a mix of seating options for different needs, from intimate corners to communal tables. Good Wi-Fi is essential for the remote worker crowd. Natural light is ideal, but for evenings or dim days, use warm overhead lights and stylish floor lamps. Decorate with local artwork, books, and tasteful knick-knacks. Subtle scents like vanilla or cinnamon can enhance the coffee aroma. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Maximize window space to let in as much natural light as possible. For evening or overcast days, use a combination of warm overhead lights, stylish floor lamps, and task lighting to create a cozy and inviting environment. Harsh fluorescent lights can make your space feel sterile and unwelcoming, so avoid them. Sound and smell. Choose music that aligns with your shop's vibe, and keep the volume at a conversation-friendly level. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is key, so avoid overpowering air fresheners. Decorate with intention. Artwork from local artists, shelves filled with books, and tasteful knick-knacks can add character without overwhelming the senses. Plants are your best friends here. They not only add a touch of nature, but also improve air quality and create a relaxing atmosphere. Don't underestimate the power of sound and smell in creating ambience. Choose a music playlist that aligns with your shop's vibe. Think mellow acoustic tunes or jazz for a relaxed feel, and upbeat indie for a more energetic atmosphere. Keep the volume at a level that allows for easy conversation. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is a given, but you can enhance the experience with subtle scents like vanilla or cinnamon, especially during the colder months. Avoid overpowering air fresheners that could clash with the natural coffee scent. Pillar 2. The coffee. Sourcing your beans. Quality beans are crucial. Build relationships with reputable suppliers who prioritize sustainability and fair trade. Offering single-origin beans can attract coffee enthusiasts. Consider roasting your own beans for complete control over quality and flavor. Quality starts with the beans. Develop relationships with reputable coffee bean suppliers who prioritize sustainability and fair trade practices. Offering single-origin beans can attract coffee enthusiasts who appreciate the unique flavors of different regions. Rotate your selection periodically to keep things fresh and exciting for your regulars. Consider roasting your own beans if you have the space and resources. This not only gives you complete control over the quality and flavor, but also adds a unique selling point to your shop. Plus, the smell of roasting coffee beans is an irresistible lure for passers-by. Brewing techniques. Offer diverse brewing methods like pour-over, French press, and AeroPress. Consistency is key. Ensure every cup meets high standards through regular equipment calibration and taste testing. Diverse brewing methods cater to different tastes and enhance the overall experience. Equip your baristas with knowledge and training in various techniques, such as pour-over, French press, AeroPress, and siphon brewing. Offering these options shows your commitment to coffee excellence and gives customers the chance to explore new ways to enjoy their favorite beverage. Remember, consistency is key. Whether it's a simple drip coffee or an elaborate pour-over, every cup should meet the same high standards. Regularly calibrate your equipment and taste test your offerings to ensure quality control. Pillar number 3. The community. Hosting events. Host a variety of events to build a sense of community: poetry readings, book clubs, craft workshops, and local art exhibitions. Partner with local organizations for charity events to enhance your shop's reputation as a community-focused business. Events are a fantastic way to build a sense of community. Think beyond the typical open mic night. Offer a variety of events that cater to different interests: poetry readings, book clubs, craft workshops, or local art exhibitions. The goal is to create opportunities for customers to connect over shared passions. Partner with local organizations and charities for events that give back to the community. A monthly charity coffee night or a food drive can enhance your shop's reputation as a community-focused business. These events not only attract new customers, but also foster goodwill and loyalty among your regulars. Fostering connections. Create communal spaces and seating arrangements that invite conversation. Train your staff to facilitate community building, introducing regulars to each other, and engaging in friendly conversation. Encourage interaction among your customers by creating communal spaces and seating arrangements that invite conversation. Large tables, shade couches, and conversation corners can break down barriers and make it easier for people to strike up a conversation with a stranger. Train your staff to recognize and facilitate community building. A friendly barista who introduces regulars to each other or starts a conversation about a local event can help create a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere. Pillar number 4, the food. Menu variety. Offer a diverse menu catering to different tastes and dietary needs, with a mix of sweet and savory options. Source ingredients locally for freshness and quality, and highlight these partnerships on your menu. A diverse menu caters to different tastes and dietary needs. Offer a mix of sweet and savory options, from hearty breakfast sandwiches to light salads and decadent pastries. Seasonal specials can keep the menu exciting and give customers something new to look forward to. Consider sourcing your ingredients locally. This not only supports the local economy, but also ensures freshness and quality. Highlighting local partnerships on your menu can attract customers who prioritize sustainability and community support. Presentation and convenience. Presentation matters. Invest in quality serving ware and train staff to present food attractively. Offer grab-and-go options for busy customers. Presentation matters. Even the simplest dish can look appealing with a little attention to detail. Invest in quality serving ware and ensure your staff is trained to present food attractively. Convenience is also key. Offer grab-and-go options for busy customers who need a quick bite on their way to work. Pre-packaged salads, wraps, and parfaits can be lifesavers for those in a rush. Pillar number 5, the service. Training and culture. Invest in comprehensive training for your staff, ensuring they are knowledgeable about coffee, menu items, and customer service. Create a positive work culture that values teamwork and continuous learning. Invest in comprehensive training for your staff. They should be knowledgeable about your coffee offerings, brewing methods, and menu items. More importantly, they should understand the importance of customer service and community building. Create a positive work culture that values teamwork, respect, and continuous learning. Happy employees are more likely to provide excellent service and create a welcoming environment for customers. Personal touches. Small gestures like remembering regulars' names and offering free drinks on birthdays can turn one-off visits into loyal customer relationships. Small gestures can have a big impact. Remembering a regular's name, offering a free drink on their birthday, or simply engaging in friendly conversation can turn a one-off visit into a loyal customer relationship. Personal touches show that you value your customers as individuals, not just sources of revenue. The final boss. Avoiding the pitfalls, aka. Don't become the next failed coffee shop statistic. Look, the coffee shop business is a battlefield. There are more failed coffee shops than there are pigeons in a major city park. So, how do you avoid becoming another statistic lost in the sea of lukewarm lattes and broken dreams? Asterisk, don't fall prey to trends. Remember the whole cupcake craze of 2008? Yeah, don't do that. Focus on creating a sustainable business model with a unique selling proposition, besides just having Wi-Fi. Asterisk, price competitively. Nobody wants to spend their entire paycheck on a cup of joe, no matter how fancy the latte art is. Offer a variety of price points to cater to different budgets. Asterisk, embrace the local scene. Partner with local businesses, artists, and musicians. Host events that showcase local talent and become a hub for your community. The takeaway, Aka, you got this. Building a coffee shop that fosters community is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes dedication, a sprinkle of creativity, and a whole lot of caffeine. But if you follow these pillars, avoid the pitfalls, and most importantly, don't take yourself too seriously, you might just create a space that becomes a beacon of warmth, connection, and maybe even a decent cup of coffee in a world that desperately needs all three. Now, go forth and caffeinate the masses.